Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Remember, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing it. Okay? If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into it. So just like I have analyzed earlier in the morning, okay, this had been on downtrend, and after getting to this particular support region, it has not been able to break out from there, and it has been playing around there for a while. Okay, so as you can see, it is still playing around here. Okay, so right now it has gotten to this particular trend line again, and it's trying to buy more. Okay, so let's see how far it will go before it will decide to go back into a downtrend. Okay, so this is actually giving us this kind of shape right here at the top. Just the way we are seeing it, it is giving us this kind of shape at the top. So this will actually get to this particular region. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will go back down and try to get to this particular trend line also below it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for long, but it is buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. Right from this resistance zone, this actually started a downtrend, and of course it has been selling since then. Even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so it is selling more. Okay, so next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. It had been on downtrend for a very long time. It has gotten to a new support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. Tried it out multiple times, but still unable to break out from there. So it's trying to push it up right now. Okay. So if it breaks out above this region, then it's going to buy more. Okay. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999, and of course, this actually started a downtrend right from here, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. It started an uptrend, but stopped at this resistance zone. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from there. Started a downtrend, and it is selling at the moment, and it will be trying out this particular support zone again. Okay, so we should watch out for that. If it breaks out from there, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is selling. Okay, so the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course, right from this support region, this had been on uptrend right from there, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so that is it. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, then you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.